Alright, good day, guys. Welcome back to my Twitter page or channel or wherever you're watching from, because I'm going to be posting this on my social media channel. That's I'm mentioning the names one after the other. So, welcome again. Alright, so you all know I trade the structural liquidity key level strategy as taught by Fortman, my mentor. And I've decided I took a trade today. Today is Thursday. That's the 31st of July 2025. I took a trade today. Usdjpy. If you are looking at my chart, this is the trade currently. It's 1:7 at the moment. But I think I left the market around 1:4 because my target is always 1:3, irrespective of whatever is going on. Alright, so let me give you a breakdown of my thought process for this trade. This is very simple. I've always say that, what's it called? Let me clear my chart. That the SLK strategy is the simplest of all strategies. Trust me, the simplest of all strategies. Now, on the daily time frame here, we have a breakout to the upside. A breakout to the upside. Now, this is the daily candle. This daily candle tapped into this breakout level here on the daily. Come to 4 hours, and then when you look at 4 hours, this candle was the one that rejected and closed. And every time you have a rejection, that's 4 hours rejection, rejects 4 hours. The rule is that you go to a lower time frame and you go find a break of structure, a breakout, or a candle pattern that gives you a confirmation entry. You find a breakout or a sweep and a break of structure or a candle pattern that gives you a confirmation entry. Now, so here on 4 hour, now let me show you something here on 4 hour again. When I was even taking this, I didn't really take note of the daily time frame. But here on 4 hours, you will notice this breakout to the upside there. So clean. And we have this liquidity. I tend to call this kind of liquidity the perfect liquidity. This liquidity, anytime your candle forms in between the breakout candle, that is, it did not take out the high, neither did it take out the low. I call it a perfect liquidity. It's always working. I hope you get this. It's always working. I don't have time to teach you liquidity, but if you want me to always drop liquidity video, you can always let me know in the comment section. Alright, so this is the perfect liquidity. So all I'll just wait for is for price to sweep this liquidity. So when I saw price swept this liquidity and this price closed, reacting from this particular key level here on 4 hours, okay, I said it's time to buy. So this is 4 hours rejects 4 hours. Then I went to 1 hour time frame to go find an entry. So at the time I came to 1 hour, I saw this candle pattern, a bearish open close that was disrespected. This is one of the best confirmation entries if you are trading SL. Okay, trust me, a bearish open close that was disrespected. If you are going to be selling, a bullish open close that was disrespected by a bearish candle. For buys, bearish open close key level that was disrespected by a bullish candle. So this is what I saw, and I knew that okay, we are set to buy. So you place your entry here. Yeah. Now when you are using this confirmation entry, you are no longer waiting for liquidity. Now remember what I taught you. If it was breakout that we saw on this zone, I would have waited for liquidity and then I would have played it. I'm sure if you check other time frames, it will give you breakout. But by the time I took this trade, this was what I saw, and that was what gave me the confidence. So all I did was put my entry here and put the stop loss below here, and I think I just started 1:3, 1:4. Sorry, like I said, you can see this was where I targeted to, and as at now it's currently reading 1:7. So that's how simple it is. It's not hard. Fortman taught us this, and I want to advise, if you want to learn SL, okay, Fortman can teach you. I'll tag him on this video. He will definitely teach you. You can find him on Twitter. I will tag him on this video. So that's it. Daily rejecting daily. 4 hours rejected 4 hours. There was a breakout on 4 hours. Liquidity was swept and it rejected. And when we come to 1 hour, we saw the confirmation entry and then we play this. That's how simple it is. Thank you very much.